Hello student, myself Dr. Narendra Singh, Associate Professor in Physics, Department of Basic Sciences, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Today we will discuss the electrostatic potential of your 12th class topic in physics. The content of my presentations for today's are line integral of electric field, electric potential and the potential difference. Now, first of all, we will just discuss about what is this line integral of electric field or the work done by the electric field. So, this the work done by the electric field is nothing but it is the negative line integral of the electric field, which represents the work done by the unit positive charge in moving it from one point to another point in an electric field, as shown in figure. We can see in the figure we have this one is your positive charge, that is your plus q, which is placed at point O, and we just replace here, that is your the test charge. Here we are not taking the unit positive charge, we have the test charge, that is your test charge is nothing, that is your plus q naught is your test charge. Now what will happen here? Here this plus q charge is moving in the electric field of this plus q charge. ये यहाँ पे प्लस क्यू चार्ज की जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगी, इसकी प्रेजेंस में ये जो प्लस क्यू नॉट चार्ज जो होगा, इट विल मूव फ्रॉम द पॉइंट दिस पॉइंट, दैट योर ए पॉइंट टू द पॉइंट बी. So that is known as your line integral. So how we can calculate this work done? Basically what will happen when we place this plus q positive charge in the electric field of this plus q charge, then the force acting on this plus q naught test charge is your F is equal to plus q naught E. This force is acting radially outward on the charge, this plus q naught charge. To prevent the acceleration, what we have to do, we have to apply equal amount of force, that is your minus q naught E. This is the electromagnetic force which is applied on this test charge. So therefore therefore the work done in the electric field on the test charge, this test charge from A to B, that is your given as WAV is equal to line integral of dW, that will be equal to A to B E dot dl. When we put the value of your E, then it will becomes q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RB minus 1 upon RA. After putting the value of this E and the integration, finally we will get the work done, that will be equal to q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught bracket 1 upon RB minus 1 upon RA. So that is nothing but it is the total work done or the line integral of the electric field. Now we can just conclude some of the important points from the above equations. So what are these important points? The first one is the equations shows that the work done in moving a unit test charge from point A to point B along the path AB, and the electric field, the work done by the electric field does not depends upon the path followed, but it will depends upon the position of the unit test positive charge, that is your at point A as well as your the point B. So we can conclude here that the line integral of the electric field is path independent. Therefore we can also say that this electric field is your conservative field. The fourth one here, the important point is your in a closed path the line integral is your 0. As we can see here, the line integral of the electric field in a closed path is your 0. Now the electric potential. So basically electric potential is nothing but it is a physical quantity that will determine the flow of the charge from one body to the another body. It is your physical quantity that will determine the degree of electrification. The electric potential, we can define here the electric potential. So electric potential is nothing but it is the work done in an electric field by moving a unit positive test charge from one point to the another point in the electrostatic force of a given charge. Here the one point is your at infinity, means we have to bring the charge, that is your unit positive charge, from infinity to the electric field of a given charge. तो यहाँ पे हमें करना क्या है कि हमारा जो चार्ज को लाना है वो कहाँ से लाना है, इन्फिनिटी मीन्स वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम ए गिवन चार्ज. कोई एक चार्ज है, उस चार्ज में कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में हमें यूनिट टेस्ट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज को लाना है, कहाँ से, फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑफ द गिवन चार्ज. तो वो जो होगा दैट इज नथिंग, इट इज नोन एज योर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. नाउ हाउ वी कैन मॉडिफाई द प्रीवियस इक्वेशन विच इज गिवन हियर, दैट जो डब्ल्यू ए वी इज इक्वल टू क्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 1 upon RB minus 1 upon RA. Here simply we can modify this equation. How we can write it as here RA is nothing, that is your at infinity as given here. RA is your at infinity. तो RA कहाँ होगा, infinity मतलब बहुत बाहर में होगा, बहुत at far distance. And RB is equal to R, that is your fixed distance. So we can replace here 1 upon RA, 1 upon infinity. So 1 upon infinity is your 0. So we can write it as WAB upon Q naught is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon R, and it is nothing, it is known as your, that is known as your potential. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, it is known as your potential, electric potential. So the unit of this electric potential is SI unit of this electric potential is nothing, that is your joule per Kelvin or Newton meter per coulomb. Now the electric potential difference. Here electric potential difference between any 2 points is the electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point against the electrostatic force of the given charge. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है कि यहाँ पे हमें एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट चार्ज को एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट में लेके जाना है विद इन द गिवन फील्ड, विद इन द फील्ड ऑफ ए गिवन चार्ज. किसी भी चार्ज की जो फील्ड होगी, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगी, उसी में ही हमें क्या करना है, एक यूनिट टेस्ट चार्ज को एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे लेके जाना है. अगेंस्ट किसके अगेंस्ट में, दैट इज योर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. पाथ भले ही पाथ कोई भी है, वट एवर द पाथ, बट this is the way. So we can again modify the line integral or the work done by moving a unit positive test charge, which is your given as WAB is equal to, now we have the integral a to b E dot dl, that will equal to Q upon Q naught 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RB minus 1 upon RA, or WAB is upon Q naught is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. जब हम इसको सेपरेट करेंगे 1 upon RB minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon RA, and that will be equal to, that is nothing, that is your BB minus BA, that is your potential difference, electric potential difference. तो हमारे पास electric potential difference is nothing, that is your BB minus BA, that will be equal to delta V, and which will be equal to WAB upon Q naught. So that is known as your potential difference, that is known as your electric potential difference. So here we can conclude some of the important points from this electric potential. So electric potential and the potential difference are both are the scalar quantities. These are not the vector quantities. Why? Because they are the path independent. These electric potential just depends upon the position of the charges. They will not depends upon the path followed by the charges in moving from one point to the another point. The second thing is your electric potential difference at infinity is your 0. Already we have told, I have told this thing, electric potential at infinity is your 0. The third one is your, the electric potential near an isolated positive charge Q greater than 0 is positive, and that near at isolated negative charge is your where Q is less than 0 is your negative.
तो ये हमने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में भी बताया था, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ में भी बताया था कि जहाँ पे जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के जहाँ पे चार्ज होगा वहाँ पे जो फील्ड लाइन्स दे आर स्ट्रॉन्गर, जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है वहाँ से जो एमिनेट होंगी, जो फील्ड लाइन्स होंगी वहाँ पे एमिनेट होंगी, तो यहाँ पे भी पोटेंशियल कैसा रहेगा, वहाँ पे पोटेंशियल पॉजिटिव रहेगा। ओके, और जब हमारे पास नेगेटिव हो, क्यू इज इक्वल टू क्यू लेस देन जीरो, तो वहाँ पे पोटेंशियल क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा। अदर वन, द CGS यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल जो स्टेट वोल्ट एंड वन स्टेट वोल्ट, और वन स्टेट वोल्ट इज नथिंग दैट विल इक्वल टू 1 अर्ग अपॉन स्टेट पर स्टेट कूलम। So thank you very much.